Hey, Technique Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to insert an image in Google Docs. So to start with, open up your Google Docs account. Then you're going to open up the document where you want to add an image. And to start with, you want to click your cursor into the space where you want to add the image. So say it is here for me. Then we're going to look at the toolbar at the top and I'm going to click on Insert. Then a table will drop down and you've got different options here. So the top one is image, and you have a few options. You can either upload an image from your computer, search one on the web, or upload from your Drive, Photos, camera, or with a URL. So I'm going to click on upload from computer. I'm going to navigate to where my image is, which is in my downloads. I'm going to click on the image that I want to upload and click open, and my image will be added to my Google Docs document. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.